Here's a quick tutorial on how to put sound in flipaclip. First, press the plus, then name your project. I'll be just naming this tutorial blah blah blah. Then press Create Project. Then make your character or animation. I'll just make yellow face hair for example. This is the in your walls look. Yeah, this is the man from your walls. Then press plus and press Add Audio. Now you press Watch Ad. But if you're rich, you can upgrade to flipaclip Plus. After watching the ad, put your audio. Press the check to export your audio. Now drag the audio anywhere you like. But if you want, record your own voice then. Press the plus again, but press Audio Recorder. Now record your voice.
Hey guys, Pink Carded Boba here.
Now do the same with last one. Now drag them anywhere you wish.